Automate. So this is the second day of Automate today. For Lincode, this is the fourth year we are participating in the Automate show. It's a major show for us. So today we have a booth. Our booth number is 15040. I'm Rajesh Iyengar, CEO and co-founder of Lincode. We are an AI visual inspection company helping manufacturers to do the quality inspection. Our primary focus is automotive industry, and we have various experiments here or demos here, so which I would like to showcase. So meet Shyam, my colleague here. So he will talk us through what he is doing today here and what he is showing today.
Hey everyone, so today we are showcasing the 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗀𝗃𝗃 solution, paint inspection solution. It's primarily designed for the glossy surfaces, right? And this is a complete hardware and software solution that we have designed for inspecting any kind of glossy components. In this case, we are seeing basically the automotive painted components. We're looking out for very minor defects to the order of probably 10 microns on this component.
Shyam is our CTO, Chief Product Officer. We walk in now into the second demo that we have here. The next demo that we are showcasing today here is about mobile phone inspection. So Nick, my colleague, please go ahead and talk to me what you're doing today.
So here we're utilizing that same defect solution that you saw on the paint, but instead we're doing it on a mobile phone to inspect the glass surface. So we're able to pick out any scratches, any nicks in the glass, any other defects you might think of. We're able to utilize that same technology on a mobile phone.
Thank you, Nick. Thank you. So the next one we have here, we are showcasing MagnaFlex inspection. We have our expert here, our VP of Sales of Europe. He's going to talk about what is he doing here.
For, I would say, certain decades, in fact, from 1800s, it's a technology called as magnetic particle inspection. NDT is a process of it. So what we do is we pour ferromagnetic particles either in powder form or a liquid form on a component and check if there are any defects. And the way to do it is bring it under a UV light and then check for it. Until today, it's been that a human inspector is carrying it, going into a dark room and checking for it. The possibility of missing defects are high. What we are doing today is we're following a similar method where you are pouring the ferromagnetic particles in a liquid form and then getting the part into the camera to inspect it and check if that is a reject or not. Not only that, in certain cases, there are acceptance which is accepted by tier 2 companies or tier 1 companies, and to meet it we are giving the complete data of the size, and the customers can define what should be the accept rate. And now it's become very easy because including dispensing of the liquid and inspecting and rejecting, all this is automated. Nobody needs to worry about it, nobody needs to get their hand dirty, and they have a right quality system with them.
Thank you, Josh. So how you can overcome this MagnaFlex inspection, which is historically done very manually, and then the people had to handle the chemicals and so on. So which is completely removed now. It's fully automated. This is one of our best product, which customer love. Meet our chief of staff and the guy who's been with us from the beginning of Lincode. So Eric, please go ahead.
Yeah. So at Lincode, we help manufacturers specifically around quality inspection with an on-prem edge system for identifying defects and an entire ML ops. So one of the main value propositions is about reducing false calls. A lot of traditional machine vision systems will have false calls, positives or negatives, particularly in complex geometries or variable environmental conditions. So we are a camera agnostic company. We can work with existing camera vision systems if they exist, if they're struggling with false calls, or if they need to deploy a new vision system. 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗀𝗃 is the backbone, the brain behind what's going on in the analysis. So the two core products, one is our 𝗟𝗶𝘃 Edge Plus, the on-prem inferencing, the brain that is providing the analysis and tracking the analytics. And then we have our 𝗟𝗶𝘃 platform. This can be deployed either cloud or on-prem, where the entire training system is managed to manage workstations and train and deploy new models. Primarily, we serve the automotive sector, but we're in aerospace, electronics, semiconductor as well. There's a number of nuances, differentiators with 𝗟𝗶𝘃, particularly around when it comes to deployment. So it's not just training the AI models, but it's ensuring that They actually work in live production environments. And we've been working with various customers and partners around the world.
Thanks, Eric.
Yeah.
Yep. And we go to our next demo, which is primarily doing inspection on weld with our partner who's Grid Dynamics. So they have this fantastic product called Incarno, which is automates the tool path configuration. So I have my colleague here, John, talk about the weld inspection demo here.
Yeah, thank you. So typically weld inspection is manually done and it's very fatiguing and not consistent. So with our inspection, we take a 3D weld profile and 2D imaging, and we use that to evaluate the welds in each location. The robot path allows us to inspect each weld separately, and we get a thorough inspection of all the dynamics of a weld.
Thanks, John. Thanks for that.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, so there's these are some of the exciting demos that we are showcasing here, and one of the important thing is we have launched a new AI model specific for automotive industry. It's a 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗂𝗃 automotive model, specifically looking at surface defects in the automotive industry. Come have a look at it. We are open tomorrow and Thursday as well.